Dear viewers, today we will discuss very important topic related to geometry, basic concept of polygons. Very important topic in geometry branch of mathematics. A closed figure in a plane called a polygon is made up of three or more linked straight line segments. The Greek terms poly and gon, which both means angles, are the origin of the word polygon. Polygons are categorized based on how many edges they have. Consider patterns. This triangle, three sides. Okay, triangle have always three sides. You can say that equilateral triangle, right angle triangle, any triangle, but have three sides. Okay, quadrilateral four sides have quadrilateral always have the four sides, one two three four. Pentagon five sides, pentagon always have the, this is the shape of pentagon, one two three four five. Hexagon always have the six sides, one two three four five six sides. Okay, heptagon always have the seven sides, one two three four five six seven. These are the examples of polygons. Okay, a polygon with four edges is called a quadrilateral. A polygon with five edges is called a pentagon. A hexagon is a six-sided rectangle. A polygon with seven edges is called a heptagon. An octagon is an eight-sided rectangle. A polygon with nine edges is called a nonagon. A polygon with 10 edges is called a decagon. Both regular and odd polygons exist. A regular polygon is one that has equal sized edges and angles on side. Each side, a hexagon is considered irregular if neither its sides nor its angles are all of the same length. In geometry as well as in practical settings like the planning of buildings, bridges, and other constructions, polygons are used extensively. A regular pentagon. A regular pentagon is a five-sided polygon that has interior angles on all of its sides and is the same dimension. A standard pentagon's internal angles add up to 540 degree. This is the shape of pentagon. A regular hexagon is a six-sided polygon that has interior angles on each of its six edges and is the same size. A regular hexagon has 720 internal angles when added together. This is the shape of hexagon. Regular octagon. A regular octagon is an eight-sided polygon that has interior angles on all of its sides and is the same dimension. A standard octagon internal angles add up to 1080 degrees.